Let's go a menu, click settings, click on apps, manage your apps, click on Google Play Store, click on Start, clear cache, second solution, click settings, click on applications, manage your apps, click here, click on start, and clear data. Okay. Third solution. Fourth solution. Click settings. Click on account. Click on Google. Click here. Click on remove account. Okay. Fifth solution. Click settings. Click here. Click on factory reset. Click here. Okay. And ready, my friends. Goodbye, friends. Subscribe to my channel and tell me in the comments if it helped you with this video.